Dear children, welcome to all of you in English class. Hope that all of you are well at your home. Dear children, today we will solve the exercise part 2 of chapter 5, that is Golu Grows a Nose, of your supplementary book, that is An Alien Hand. Dear children, as you know that we already read the whole story about a small elephant, that is Golu, in previous videos. You knew that how Python helped the Golu, and he also told him 3 important advantages of his long nose, that is trunk. Golu also knew about the crocodile as well as his nature. Dear children, as you know that I divided this exercise in 2 parts. I already answered the first 5 questions of this exercise in the first part of the exercise. Today, in this second part, I will explain the answers of the rest questions, that is question number 6 to question number 10, given in the exercise on page number 35 in your book. Let's start. The question number 6 is, the crocodile lay on the bank of the Limpopo river. Golu thought it was, first option, a living crocodile, second one, a dead crocodile, and third one, a log of wood. The right option of this question is, Golu thought it was a log of wood, that is third one. Now dear children, let's go to question number 7. What did the crocodile do to show that it was a real crocodile? प्यारे बच्चों, मगरमच्छ ने यह दिखाने के लिए कि यह असली मगरमच्छ है, क्या किया? The answer of this question is, crocodile shed crocodile's tears to show that it was quite true and real one. Now dear children, let's go to another question, that is question number 8. Come here little one, and I will whisper the answer to you. The crocodile said this because, first option, he couldn't stand up. Second one, he wanted to eat Golu. And third option is, Golu was deaf. So dear children, the right option is, that is second one. He wanted to eat Golu. Now dear children, let's go to question number 9. Who helped Golu on the bank of the river? प्यारे बच्चों, नदी के किनारे पर गोलू की मदद किसने की? The answer of this question is, the python helped the Golu on the bank of the river. He saved Golu's life from the crocodile. Now, dear children, let's go to last question of this exercise, that is question number 10. Name 2 things the elephant can do with his trunk and 2 he cannot. प्यारे बच्चों, उन 2 कार्यों के बारे में बताएं जो हाथी अपने सूंड से कर सकता है और 2 कार्य जो वह सूंड से नहीं कर सकता है. Now, let's go to the answer of this question. 2 things the elephant can do with his trunk are, number 1, he can put a lot of eatables in his mouth with the help of his trunk. And second one, he can keep away flies. Now, 2 things the elephant cannot do with his trunk are, first one, he cannot chew with his trunk, and second one, he cannot use it as a leg. So, dear children, these are the questions given in your exercise of chapter 5. I hope that you understand all the answers well. Dear children, there is a worksheet along with this video. Kindly solve the questions given in the worksheet so that you can make more understanding about this exercise. Thank you. Be happy and safe.